We are here to meet Mr. Walter Mosley. He is doing an author presentation. He is an author of about 55 books. He's a crime writer, nonfiction writer, you name it, he's written it. And we are here to meet this esteemed writer.
Well, I'm coming here to Fairfax to talk about generation to generation, fathers and sons, mothers and daughters, how information passes from one to the other and how my work reflects that.
The way he writes, he captures the African American experience in ways that you can understand and respond to in this really visceral way. You know people that he's describing from your own families and friendships.
My books are about relationships. My books are about mainly about black people living in America, creating a life and a structure and a system outside of the system that has falsely defined itself.
To have somebody capture on the printed page the black experience is just, it's meaningful because you know that there are people out there who understand what we're going through collectively as a community, and sharing that knowledge and experiences with other people as well.
If I stand in front of an audience and I have a talk, a short talk, and then the audience, has questions or notions or responses, then that's good because we're all talking. And it doesn't really, it's not about me, and it's not about how smart I was or how well I put together something or how my books impacted this, but it's that we're in a place and a conversation has come from it.
I am just amazed at the attendance, and I think it's just a sign of what we're trying to do. We're trying to bring in more programming, more things that will be of interest to our customers so they do get out of their bed on a Sunday and drive.